In a major escalation of the ongoing conflict in West Asia, the United States has reportedly carried out powerful airstrikes on Iran's strategic city of Isfahan, using heavy bunker-buster bombs designed to penetrate deeply fortified underground facilities. According to multiple reports, the strikes targeted a significant ammunition depot and military infrastructure in Isfahan, a city widely known for housing critical components of Iran's nuclear and missile programs. US officials confirmed that 2,000-pound bunker-buster munitions were used in the attack, capable of destroying hardened underground targets. Visuals shared by Donald Trump on social media showed massive explosions lighting up the night sky, indicating the scale and intensity of the strike. Why Isfahan matters. Isfahan is considered one of Iran's most sensitive military locations. It hosts key nuclear-related infrastructure, missile production facilities and storage sites believed to contain enriched uranium and advanced weapon systems. Experts say the use of bunker-buster bombs suggests a deliberate attempt to hit deep underground installations which are otherwise resistant to conventional airstrikes. Some reports indicate that stealth bombers may have been involved in the operation, highlighting its strategic importance. Part of a wider campaign. The strike is not an isolated incident, but part of a broader US military campaign aimed at weakening Iran's offensive capabilities. Reports indicate that thousands of targets have been hit over the past month as tensions between the two countries continue to spiral. Earlier operations have also targeted other key Iranian sites, including nuclear facilities such as Natanz and Fordo, signaling a sustained effort to dismantle Tehran's strategic infrastructure. Global concerns rise. The attack has further heightened fears of a wider regional conflict. With Iran possessing a vast network of underground military facilities, analysts warn that continued strikes could provoke retaliation and destabilize the entire Middle East. There are also growing concerns over global energy security as the conflict threatens critical oil routes and could disrupt supply chains worldwide.